Hi everyone, this is the IELTS Switch recording for the task 2, reviewing the task 2 of the IELTS writing section. So, this is the question. Nowadays, anyone can post information on the internet, even if it is incorrect. As a result, mostly the information we read is inaccurate. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So, this is a specific agree disagree essay. Moving on. The internet has evolved human lives immensely. It has changed the way humans communicate and evolve. Explore, sorry, not evolve, explore. Few people think that internet is a great tool. You need to have a here. Is a great tool because it is a singular tool and it is a common tool. So a great tool for communication, although it is not reliable. So this essay will analyze the statement and assert my opinion. The internet is a vast pool of knowledge. In fact, anyone can access its information from any part of the world within a matter of seconds. Okay. Due to this, it has reduced. It has reduced. When you use has, it is always the past participle verb after has. So it has reduced the importance of library. The main problem of internet is that finding correct information is difficult, as internet allows all the users to upload their opinion, information and so on. So this as and ahead of it is the continuation of the first sentence. So there should be a comma and a small a. So as internet allows all users to upload their opinion and information and so on. Moreover, there will be no one to ask whether they are qualified to do so or not. You should always write the other part of it, or not. They are qualified or not. As a result, the information on the internet cannot be trusted. Forever, it has been noticed that people are uploading there is there, or just people are uploading some rumors just to grab attention. This way, the innocent people start believing, and eventually they fall. There should be an and here, and eventually they fall into a false situation, or you can say a false trap. Situation is not quite the right word here. It is a very neutral word. So you can write a trap, which is a negative word. As it becomes hard to believe in the information which internet provides. Okay. So again, there should be a comma over here and the A should be small. You have to understand where a sentence ends and where it does not end. On the other hand, there are few websites which provide true facts and figures. The true The truth, not the true, the truth is that the majority of unreliable data does not show on the screen when individuals do specific Google search. Websites which show notifications pop-ups are reputable sites that do their research before publishing information online. For instance, Wikipedia is the only site which does not allow any user to edit the information. I think Wikipedia allows everyone to edit the information, but it is not the only site. That's what you're trying to say. Okay, that then it is fine. That if it is not the only site, then it is fine. Only the website developers can do that. No, on Wikipedia you can edit the information, but it is put for review. As they do research, have a discussion among the employees, editors, writers about the error, and then they update the information. This way they provide most reliable information. Okay, good enough, no mistakes here. In a conclusion, I agree with the argument that internet is not a reliable source. It is a singular, what you can say, random source, right? It is not the reliable source. Okay, so it is not a reliable source to find information. If we only link to the reputable websites and blogs, or if we only trust, or if we only depend upon the reputable websites and blogs, we do not need to worry about the information found on the websites. Okay, herein you have put in both the opinions in the last sentence, in the last conclusive paragraph. That is, you agree and you disagree. However, you have to specify exactly why you agree, and you have to specify it very strongly. Herein, both the opinions are very strong and quite independent of each other. So that you have to do. Other than that, there are a couple of grammatical mistakes which I have told. So yeah, that's about it. So everyone who's watching, please like, share, subscribe, and follow my Instagram channel, the IELTS Switch, and keep watching, keep writing. Thank you, everyone.